People often ask, what are you going to do with a toy like this? Or a tool like this? What kind of work are you going to do with it? This is exactly what we were planning on using this for, to move things around like stumps while I'm digging them up with the skid steer. I got that stump, oops, out of that hole, which is where we're trying to plant Christmas trees. That's one stump. And she's never tried to wrangle anything this big. A bonus feature is that it makes my wife happy. So, happy wife, happy life. Now, to give you an idea how big that is in profile, we don't know where we're going to put it. I suspect we might just burn that where it sits. No, she wanted to do some destruction. Woohoo!
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.